I didn't tell
We need a ginger for. They don't know. They don't know. Say we need a ginger for ourselves. All right, welcome everybody. Come to the late night show. Okay. Okay, I know say most of them they see my t-shirt like this. You got up my t-shirt, you get Ijo Da. I will explain everything for you today because we are in a dancing mode.
Dancing
because our major guest for today are a dancing somebody, and you know she they break every on a breakable, not be breaking plate too.
No. So, you know.
Now she they break fire, she they do things on top of the dance beat. All right, we get Kaffy in the building. Kaffy that year for dancing, you know, and every, you know, we not go try ourselves too much because this one I be the professional. You understand? We don't leave the thing for the major person who will be the work. All right. At the same time, we get to show yourself. Rez go there with me inside the show today on top of the whole thing, and then we get other people that will go to do. You know, but the whole thing now be say on top of the show go make too much brain. You go see Kaffy in a different light. You know, you go hear of her as a professional. At the same time, where she did since people they ask questions, what she did since. You know, she go ahead to do a family thing. I be just disappear for the whole thing. Why? She will give us all the gist today on top of the show. So don't go anywhere. The show will make too much brain. But first, make I bring Rez enter to come do it on top performance level, on top show yourself. So from there, we start the show proper. Don't go anywhere. They come back.
La Gina, c'est Suzy on it. C'est pas ma Rez on dance you know. We getting naughty. We party like it's 1940. We party here all night long. DJ put up to Rez man song. The people with the head over want to the tinkolo, nana, tinkolo. We party here all night long. DJ put up to Rez man song. Yeah. See you put up your dancing shoes. If you don't want to go, we party here all night long. DJ put up to Rez man song. Yeah. See ya. Real dancehall killer.
Rez in the building. Correct one. All right, so Rez, wonderful performance. How they go take reach you sharply?
For Twitter, na PG we dey speak.
Na
For Twitter, na Rezman_song.
Okay.
Okay, for Instagram, na D_official_Rez.
Call them again.
D, that's THE,
okay.
_official_Rez.
Okay, so now don't hear everything. Yeah. Go there, follow us, Yan, and I believe say, I know say the guy get very promising future. All right. So quickly, we'll continue with the show, and of course, show yourself. Not just show yourself, just now Rez on the whole things. Okay. Now. After this break, we'll come back. We'll carry officially into the building Kaffy of every coming to the show. All right. So don't go anywhere. The show still continue. Now still the way. All right. Is it big? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yes, that's still the late night show, and of course, your boy Ogbe still there, and Easy be still there around, you know, and as the thing be like this, now I want to bring in our guest for today on top the show. You know, this guest is somebody that's made us very proud of the country, and a very danceable somebody and everything. When you see my swag today, you know, holla at your boy, you know what he do. You understand me now? Like this, now, Easy bit. You don't feel my swag?
I know, I feel you, but if not me doing, go fit me past, not you.
You go fit you past, Abi?
I tell you.
Don't worry, no, I still plan my own outcoming. You understand? I will still get it right somewhere.
Part 2.
It goes still there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now one of the best things that happen to Niger dance or dance from inside Nigeria, inside Africa, and from this side of the world. Help me make welcome my girl. Every on top the dance things and every. Most people know him as Kaffy, but we sabi him as Kaffy in the building. Special opening things. Boom. Huh. Hey. 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 Oh. Chook. Chook. Huh. Huh. Chook. Huh.
No weapon.
Kaffy! They don't know. They don't reach. It's still there somewhere. No.
Don't break your bone.
No, TV say my own.
If like say you want to do surgery, why they say want to
I feel like who would go they get warak parties, something. You know, it's still the Kaffy.
Still in the bar.
You know, say most times when you get person like Kaffy around. You were not the dance before now. People they look say, man, this guy they dance, so they come for your hand. You they learn. See the original for here. Not they do say you sabi do anything. So for now, me I'm a humble somebody to leave it for the professionals to do everything. Kaffy! How things now?
Well, we also
hustle.
We are hustling and hustling.
Kaffy, you come, you take over. Take over dance for Nigeria, Africa, and everywhere. Small time, no come and see a Kaffy anymore. And say, where Kaffy I go? We cannot look and say, where Kaffy I dey?
Where Kaffy I go? Where
Kaffy I dey?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Yeah.
Kaffy. So Kaffy are here now. We here for the hustle. Come and day here. So Kaffy go give us gist on top of the
Thank you very much for everything and opportunity.
You know.
To read day on the day.
Exactly.
As a matter of fact, Kaffy have not really go anywhere. Because in this professional of ours, yes, there are ways at which we are presentable ourselves. Sometimes on stage, sometimes beyond production. You understand? Production. Inside, behind the production, you have to be there to guide people to be on stage.
Okay.
You understand?
So now professional waka, now you go waka like this.
It's plenty professional waka. Because the thing I've done on stage, the thing I've done in video, I live for other people. Come on, doing it.
Easy beat. It's a good something.
Yes.
Because only you cannot come and be doing the whole thing forever. Exactly.
You know how many videos they have come out every day?
Everything, every video, Kaffy. Everybody do video, Kaffy.
Yes.
People are dancing for celebration, Kaffy. Even for a burial, something, Kaffy. Kaffy dance. Wait now.
Which of the burial?
I should be. I say you get on burial. Go away. Dance. Everybody will come say, get the dance, boy.
So basically, it is based on the fact that in every profession you have to expand your mind. So after this professional, I have do dancing on stage and dancing in video. Then I carry it to teaching people and carry people along with me. So as I carry people along, the different things have been happening. I say, okay, this thing, if I teach you finish now, where have you going to become tomorrow?
On your own self.
I teach you which work I've done for you. How many people can artists hire in one video? If we have 10,000 dancers available in the country, and you have only let's say 100 artists that even try to do video. If they put all the 10,000 dancers in the video, it cannot be possible like that. Sometimes only one get a video, two boys video. So if I don't come out like that to go and investigate in the America, you know the America and in the UK, to say, okay, these people where they don't master how they take this dance. They can become multi-billion dollar industry. And 90% don't say that they wait to dance for artists. You understand?
Yes, exactly.
They work every day.
Get their own work.
Some of them, I talk to them, say, come and work with me. Say, I'm booked for 3 years.
Child.
How person go just day?
Dancer. Wow. Book for 3 years.
Straight, you don't get time.
Child.
Say, if you go get time, you go just tell one person, say, you no one work for 1 week.
1 week. Just to get time for you.
Thank you.
So that is the whole thing now. Don't go another level.
It's on the level where people they take see dance, he pass.
Because before now, because some years back, I know say this dance thing, all of us here start this whole thing that 10. You know, but some of us here run away because we are not getting patience for the hustle.
Your liver face.
He have face somewhere. He just run and leave us.
Your organ have.
It just
breaking weak.
Exactly. You know, we are weakling somewhere in the whole thing. Me, myself, and I, and my humble DJ Easy Beat. We are summer.
I'm still Gary for Borio.
Yeah, still get because
I saw something you said. I saw that technical.
He say pop and lock somebody.
Yes.
You know.
Yes, he has it in his body. Yes.
He's a somebody you have chest. You understand? You get meat for body. So easy to just like this beam. So you think of the so even so some of us will not get the chest. Waiting you want shake. So if I do like this, hey,
spinal cord.
Oh,
rib cage.
Make I no go do like this now. My rib have come out. They say, "Wow, you are a good acrobat." And they say, "Bring your loss."
But I have that.
So that's the reason, my brother. It's
Okay.
a very technical thing.
So that means Kaffy no come or go anywhere.
No.
She just go back to a much more professional way.
A wider
of
one, so that
handling things.
say I am fearing.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you the truth. Yeah, I'm seriously fearing.
Exactly.
That if people of all of us have such
Yes.
that are doing dance, if we have not properly take care
Of things.
in 5 years' time, you have not going to be relevant like that.
Eh.
Because even cinematography have start making people irrelevant in video. One picture is beautiful and one girl just stand with plenty things and color
exactly.
and things.
Yes.
Video have
You
finished.
spoil the whole thing for everybody.
Even the editor have not. If you do dance now in video, before you do like this, you have come out. You know where they
exactly.
dance. You understand?
After you don't choreograph one full song,
As
Then
in,
go
I'm
to
telling
the
you.
small place.
You have
I
noticed.
tell you, man.
You can't did the video shoot. See the way the dancer go dance, go kill himself.
Chai.
First of all, the director of Overs delay. If he be call time is 8 a.m. He go reach 2 a.m.
Wait
Dancer never dance.
You can't wait.
He can't dance the dance. Nearly died till 6 a.m.
Hi.
Can't watch the video.
can't see one.
Just
See my hand. See my hand. Hand. They not show my hand. The next thing you go say, you go see me. Now my shoe be that. Which,
Oh, shit.
But then people use that in the lie.
As in.
People is in the lie now.
yes,
You understand?
easy. Anybody go say, now me be that. Now if it be me.
Exactly.
But if you don't fear small, say, I mean, I no be Kaffy now. Now me, so that's problem. So the problem is, me, I don't go blame anybody for my situation. I have learned that one from small. If person have not celebrated me, I celebrate myself.
Yourself.
So dancer, if video director have not shoot you properly, you have gone and shoot your own.
By your own self.
Thank you.
Okay, so now based on that particular gist just now, because okay, make we can't even go back to some other things themselves, you know, because we are talking of the professional side of this whole thing where you have been doing things since now.
Yes.
Now, make we can't even enter because at a point now for this whole dance thing, that time I remember saying the first video where people see you that time na rugged man abi.
No, before that, na first actually Adewale Ayuba first.
Adewale Ayuba.
Then Let's Do.
Then
Rugged Man.
But that Baraje only black na that one
Baraje you know this other one they pave way, but I can't scatter way small.
Scatter way.
And let's do before them Pisco Paro can't
enter the whole thing.
Those kind of things.
So for you now, because I know say you no be dance you study for university.
Babu.
You no be dance study for what you study for university again?
Plenty things. Half in Yabatech, half do small mechanical engineering, small.
For Yabatech.
Small. From there, I come and study physical fitness. To help people they fit.
So now from there, the whole thing can enter.
Everything. See, now sporty for enter. From there, I go play basketball, play for Lagos, play for Ogun State. I call captain the team for my school because basketball team have not did in school for female. I can create female team. We go play for Ogun State, play for Nadel. Sports thing, I know people they notice me.
For that time.
So that time, one NBA player called name be Olumide Oyedeji call Nigeria with his scout. Say they want to give scholarship to people who do well for basketball. Now I enter the camp. Now in the camp 2 years straight. Now I get most disciplined camper, best camper, all those kind of what I want. Just they enter. I no score one basket too. I dey throw and I go. So, but the man say no be about the scoring of the basket. Say number one, I did great for defense.
Okay.
One, punctuality.
Okay.
And general attitude towards what they do.
They do.
Say the way they carry your work.
Yes.
Say if not to the score, that one will fit teach you. But I not fit teach you how to sabi want do something.
Yes.
The spirit where you need to want take.
They don't
do
give person that one.
So that one they can't say I be most promising player again.
So for that one, that one I can't carry the whole
can't
thing.
Carry the whole thing. They come like this because they announce for the radio that time. Say one girl they do one kind of thing. Now one person invite me come one show like that. Now they rugged man, they all of them just did that show.
So from there,
now all of them say they want this one say you shoot next week. This one say you shoot this week. inside 1 week now I do like
career just start like that. Boa.
my brother from aeronautic engineer jeje wey I wan go study for Amlika. I be pure
you are now
student.
leave the whole thing
On science. In fact, at a point, the demand outside in the industry.
Yes.
You have I pass anything. I had to stop also I wanted to further for physical fitness and that kind of thing. Say when I study more again for that place. I had to quit like 2 years after. I say, you know what? Something don't become business.
Exactly.
Because education for me, my own philosophy be say application of wisdom and education.
Yes.
Na him be the most important thing. And the thing is say you no go stop to the learn ever in your life. Every time you dey learn. I don't see any job where they this like where say go learn and finish. You go even if you carry pali just tell you say you just enter one place.
You don't go there, come back.
But some people get pali, they don't even know.
Nothing.
They brain.
Some people like that.
So like that, wisdom. I don't stop today. Acquire knowledge for wetin I dey do, especially with this dance. I tell you, say I invest my money, go out, go see. I still say, be so now so him be so no be wetin I study. Even till today, technically, no be say anybody teach me dance. Whatever knowledge where I dey acquire self now to better myself. You understand? As a dancer, but most importantly for me now, I say the business because to learn something and not take and enter market.
Can't they make money from
it dey useless.
Because another part that they frustrate most people.
Especially
parents. Naturally.
Yes.
Because parents go change them for you at a point. That year now, when they go, they dance, they come back, they look, you say, so wait till they go, you go, they carry sweats, come house, back, they for back, costume, everything. So where they come from?
The time where that talk change. Now when you don't they drop money.
When they drop ban, I say, take this
drop money for. Say, it be like, say, Gary no dey. Say, mama, I don't buy one sack.
Bam.
When? How? You understand? So, na respect that they give you. The reason why most parents they fear say make their pikin no go into art. You know, art no dey structurally guaranteed. Like when say you be doctor
say you go to see bus.
Yes, steady. But the thing we say, now they say to you, now just how we they take look
am.
The way they call perception.
Perception.
See, how many doctor don't they now? Doctor we still no get job deal.
Yes.
Because everybody study medicine. You still get thousands. Some of them don't even open roadside.
Now some even turn to quack self.
Because they know they practice as before now. You understand? So wetin dey happen be say may we not rely on the 4 walls of institution. Just because we they born us into that structure, no mean say na the only way we say learn and survive with that.
And acquire knowledge.
Yes, and one thing that is important for human being, as human being, wetin you love to do. You don't feel hard you won't do, even if money no day. You go work hard for that. Till you go see chop. In fact, the way you go want do the thing self, you go put everything to make sure you see and good, whether they pay you well.
No.
But something way you know to like. Let me say because my papa be engineer now, make I be engineer. Now that thing know they make people they progress properly for work. They deliver better
because you can't go to do what you not too like that.
Because you know too. Then if they don't come pay you better money for it, you go just do.
You go worry you for mind anyhow.
Yes,
True.
Yes.
So Kaffy, now all this talk now we don't talk on to professional things and everything. We can't go family now. Because along the line when the whole thing come they go, you know, and when the whole thing they go from somewhere.
One pikin just come.
Yeah, husband just come. Husband now he's a drummer. A celebrity drummer, a producer, a guy inside it. Now for you, because we get picture, we know the pictures, we talk about the whole thing.
Yes.
You, your husband, small time from nowhere, picking you have Chook. One is not even finish, your second one just follow for back. So how you take the handle this whole thing? Say you and your husband, entertainer.
Yeah, give me an opportunity to sing the song that reflects wetin dey happen for my life.
Oh yeah, sing it.
Oh yeah, give me that testimony. Something. That's what they sing for Nigeria. We know they know lyrics.
Nothing. Now just now we sabi.
He know easy, to the born, to the dance and take care of husband, my brother, my sister. No be today. It's not easy. But me, I dey always tell person something. When you love something,
yes,
you fit share yourself because of love.
Yes, exactly.
So me, I not take my family I say they be projects. There be something I love. Now so I say take my job. I love her.
Exactly.
So balancing.
Now you and bros with that.
Oh my gosh.
He's touching your rat.
He's a fine boy, somebody.
Oh,
I carry eye to market.
Oh, you have pet eye,
come on. You see this? I have sittings. My gosh.
You find somebody like
yes,
this.
to find somebody.
Child.
Yes.
Child.
It's God glory.
It's glory.
You have tell me when I've started dancing thing, my family people are say, no dance, you have not go to see better husband, you have not go to born better pikin, you have not go to have better life, you have not go to meet important people. Have dance, I chop with governor, I meet president.
Oh, easy.
I have good children.
Oh,
I love applaud.
Applause it. Now we're going to talk of children now.
Yes.
I see you're a very handsome boy.
The
and
boy.
Your beautiful daughter.
See those children.
Hey.
Those children go worry.
They worry, Abi.
The intelligence where they don't get.
If I say the boy self, he want the dance.
The boy na sniper when they do rehearsal.
Seriously, they go to peep.
Yeah, you go there. You know, go there dance. You know, so you go there. The mommy, I want to read. You know, you go there read. They go. As they read, as he drop the book, as you come up for that place, you go just go. Press. I don't know who teach him. Press the thing. Come they look himself for mirror. Now so in the choreograph himself.
Sharp.
All the move where we don't do, the boy they.
They put on for
I
head.
say at 9 months, I carry and go hospital because I never see baby wait sabi solve puzzle before 1 year old.
He done a soft puzzle.
He saw puzzle for iPad eh?
Yeah.
I had to record the thing. No, I can't anywhere where I go. If I put on like this, people go gather and say, "This pikin."
Overchap.
Now so they do phone.
Overchap the worry.
If you see your password once, you have.
I don't think. How old he be now?
He's 3 now.
3 now. Say his sister will be wait for now.
That one now, 1 year and 3 months.
1 year and 3 months.
That one have started following her brother footsteps.
That one they show on road now.
Oh my God.
When we see picture of daddy and baby and daddy and all the babies, we go know how beautiful their children here be. Because look, we have to celebrate these very good things you are, you know. Because people are saying you are not going to get a fine children, but now you have a fine children. When the picture was that is daddy and the baby.
Eliana Ponte.
After this one, first he gets daddy and the boy too.
Yes, that's Sean.
This daddy and Sean.
Yes,
oh boy. We thank God for testimony. It's a wonderful thing.
It's a testimony.
Oh. He's touching my heart like this. If like I can go marry tomorrow now.
Give you tissue.
Please.
Okay, make a tear come
He's touching me. Sorry, this one not going to cry. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
So,
moving on.
Back to the whole thing.
Yes, my
now, see some other things that we don't do for some time now.
Yes.
Imagnito.
Yes.
Come be your dance company where you just wetin make you enter in just sharp. Wetin make you enter Imagnito?
The whole idea be say future, big picture. Because as I enter dance industry now, so crew people they form.
Exactly.
And you know they last. And part of the reason why you know they last because people don't understand business of trade.
Okay.
Now they cost fight. If you don't me, you be crew. If they give 100,000 for show,
cool.
when now they give 100,000 to play show, you go come back and say where my 50, Abi?
Yes.
My brother, our business won't grow. We say every time where they carry money go show.
Everybody.
How you want to consume?
Yes.
How you want to transport?
Yes.
How you want even plan when they say you go get studio? You know if you do and we crew because people know they understand. You know why? Average Nigerian you too they carry in personal problem can't work.
Exactly.
This one go say my money must complete because my father, grandmother, sister say something different thing happen. But when you get structure, structure get vision.
Okay.
Vision na something wey be say everybody wey dey come inside dey try reach. Once you don enter that structure, you are confined. My English
oh Lord! No, I mean I feel they write as they talk like this. So I say, man, see lecture. You
are confined. You are.
You just
you make sure say the thing where the law wey don dey ground. Na you go dey follow.
Okay.
So even if anything dey wrong, we know say okay, na something dey wrong with the law. Make we see whether something
we fit do things.
Now the problem I don dey face for how many years with that? I say okay, I no go do crew. You understand? Because when I start crew, I start na DNMT I first.
DNMT, that's not the main thing.
That time. So as the crew thing don dey cause make people know they agree, disagree. I say no do crew.
Because crew no dey last.
You know they last. I go do company. Company go live after me.
Exactly.
You know something where I feel one day say okay, I don't want run am, make person else
run am. So if you still continue, whether you do, you not do,
so
but
even inside the company, you feel grow 10 crew inside one company.
Yeah, exactly.
You understand? You understand? So the crew no be the future, now company be the future. And when you dey talk corporate, say you want talk where you want talk where Dangote day.
Yes.
Say business, you self they talk as CEO. No be CEO of crew.
Of crew.
You understand?
Nah,
They
true.
talk
This is
company.
business talk now.
I feel tell and say, Dangote, give me 1 billion, and I will tell you how many youth for this country go they useful to entertainment industry. He go ask me which structure I get. I don't go tell them say no worry, I go just buy costume for them, they dance around. He get structure
we do on ground.
Yes.
Based on say company. No be
dey.
crew.
No be crew.
So that, people, all the dancers where they watch us now, it's not just a crew something.
Yeah.
You can think of
and most
company.
of them, they don't understand some certain terminology. For instance, if I tell dance, I say, you go to dance for my company.
Yes.
They see them as mentality, say person own them.
Yes.
They don't see them as say, once we dig together, if I see 10 dancers where they strong, it is more, how will I put it? It's more grand. It gets more power, than if all those 10 form their own 10 different crew.
True,
because for you to be boss for this crew, boss for this crew, boss for this crew, can't day one umbrella. You mean say you day force.
Yes.
So for me to market that kind group of people, people no go the price on anyhow because una be the best of the best, we they the same. But our own youth, once this one don't be best, this one don't be best, this one believe say because I don't know, I feel go form my own things. So that form my own, and I never let dance don't grow past where in the
everybody say selfishness and greed.
Everybody don't believe say, anyone don't believe
thing.
say this person gets my back. If I be your student now, the only thing I go the thing is say this one way they fresh. I say they chop our money.
Not true.
Nah,
not true.
So and some of them go try, they will come back, say no be like wetin I think to form crew, to groom crew, no be beans because responsibility can't dey
on top the whole thing.
But if dancers understand the business, that even people where they do 9 to 5 jobs, when you carry CV go, you get wetin be say rules where they the company, where they go say no go left, no go right. You get salary where you go put on, you get benefit where you dey enjoy. Like for my company now, as at last week, we don't sort benefit for insurance. Because insurance, no, these dancers go break leg, break up. Yesterday, now I signed the paper. So I beg, make everybody for my staff, make they get insurance. Make they come educate them waiting the insurance mean. You understand? Some of the people where they, like one of the sister where they studio follow me now.
Yes.
Now she be costume manager.
Okay.
She did say costume manager before. Now maybe just a
pack cloth.
Just a pack cloth for people. You don't feel go wash your clothes.
For what?
But she don't realize say, first of all, the CFO of the company, the accountant, teach them how go lay log on for book.
Bang, bang.
Make her eyes see and say, you see this costume now, major investment, now the company capital investment.
Inside the whole thing.
Because
money
with that
inside.
Costume, you know if you present yourself.
Make sense.
Millions of the money where we they make for this our job. Costume, they carry plenty of them. So now our assets.
Exactly. So she now can look at now from a more business
so
angle.
if to see her face when you finish dance, you have not bring costume back.
Oh, you're all done finished.
Yeah,
so she fit dey hokoboko like this
hey,
now.
So
yeah, you, Victor.
Like, excuse me.
Come here.
Wait, excuse me. Put it back there. I won't change it. I'm sorry.
Put it there. Kneel down there.
Exactly.
I'll slap your ear now. What's strong to you? What's strong about you?
So when you tell person you're a costume manager now, you not come to understand. And some people you go give them work for the dance company. They go look at like say should they be servant? I say my dear, even CEO na servant.
Exactly.
Everybody na.
But for the whole thing now, Kaffy, that means you don't one way or the other provide work for people.
And we won't do more.
And more will still follow for back.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. So that means as it be like this now, we get your video where we go play now.
Yes.
We go show that video, then we'll come back.
I
know what you go see now when the video you are showing just now. Usually you're surprised yourself.
Oh,
but we'll show the video now. By the time we come back, we just round up the talk and on top of everything. We'll talk Joda, we'll talk some other things when they come up. Then from there we finish every.
That's so.
You understand? So we are coming back. You watch this video and you know how everything is.